What you doing, Dave?
I'm making brownies.
Are you?
Yes, for the whole park.
For the whole park?
Yeah.
Oh, yummy.
They'll love it.
They'll love it. I'm sure they will. All right. Anyway, this is bed number 2. This is the one that has the bench attached. And as you can see, we are filling it up with dirt. It's actually been filled up with a bunch of other yard debris and grass clippings and hay and wood and a bunch of stuff. So now we're adding dirt. Do you see that? They're just everywhere. I absolutely love this tree. I'm so glad that we didn't take it out when we took all the rest out. They have happy homes, don't worry. But yeah, look at that. I love it. And my time has done its job getting all the pollinators here into the yard, and so I've trimmed it back and trimmed out some of the older, woodier parts. And yeah, so it'll grow again, and the next time it pops up, I will trim it off. Oh, I missed a flower. I will trim it off and save the time next time. I will save the time next time. Here's my pepper. That's one of the bell peppers that I got seed from, but look at those little flies. I've got those little flies everywhere, and I don't know how to get rid of them. And then if you look back here, sorry, that's my Aunt Molly's ground cherry. Yay! And that little guy there is oregano. Man, that rain is pounding down. I hope my garden survives. Poor little babies. Oh, it does have hail mixed in it. I know. Please be okay. Well, at least if I have holes in my plants, I'll know what it came from. Well, pray for my garden. So I think it's stopped raining for a half a second. And you can see the changes since the beginning of the season in our garden quite a bit. Although it's still nice and green, so that's nice, mid-June. Anyway, I am going to make some pickles tonight, and I need to harvest an onion, so I'm going to go over and see if I have one that I can harvest. So it is still raining out here, so I'm going to make this quick. This is the biggest one I have from the top, so keep your fingers crossed. Let's hope it's got something underneath there. Oh, well, I guess that's better than nothing, but I need to figure out what to do to get these onion bulbs to grow. Anyway, I'm heading back inside.
Up! Stop everything! We're going to bale hay now.
Bale hay now?
We're going to garden in the kitchen, even though we're not done.
You want me to put that on something else? Here's the onion I harvested. And I wanted to get outside before it started raining again.
Oh, heaven's sakes, we wouldn't want you to get wet.
No, because I might melt.
What do you, when you take a shower, will you run in the circle so the water drops don't hit you?
Yeah.
Huh? So you don't melt?
So I don't melt.
My God.
Can you hand me a paper towel?
And this is my wife, the survivalist. Not.
Thank you. So I'll just put my little baby onion here.
No!
No, I'm gonna move it. I'm taking it.
Jesus. I ain't got nothing better to do except do dishes. That's all I do. 24/7, do dishes. Now it's all dirt.
It is not.
What do you call that?
Where? Oh, one little tiny speck. It's not gonna hurt anything. Real food comes dirty.
Yeah. We don't spread no diseases in this house.
We have good immune systems.
Yeah, 'cause we eat dirt. Here, you want some macaroni cheese and some dirt?
Only on Tuesday, right?
It'll help your immune system.
That's right. Dirt is good for you.
Dirt is good for you. Might give you the worms, but it's good for you.
So I thought I'd come out after the storm and see if we sustained any real damage. Lavender looks lovely, flowering like mad. Oh, look at this. It's starting to go to flower. I'll need to come out and harvest this. I know I was planning on doing that mint today, but it has been storming all morning again. Oh, ladybug in there. Can you see it? There it is. That's always good to see. And my scarlet runner beans back there are starting to poke their little heads up, or scarlet emperor. And my peas have some flowers on them. So yay, that's pretty fabulous. My potatoes, of course, are giant. They're almost as tall as me. Like, I know they're in 12 inches of raised bed, but oh my gosh. They are getting some little holes in the leaves. And I'm not entirely sure what's causing it. I haven't really come out here to look at what kind of bugs are out here, but I don't dare open up the gates to this planter because these guys just tumble out. And I've propped them up as well as I could. You might remember that butterfly there that was standing up so tall at one time. Just amazes me at how huge they are. Over here, you can actually look down into the... Again, I don't want to... And I can't see that because it's taller than me, but you can see down. I don't see any potatoes popping up. Also, my beans that started to come up back there, I don't know. I think I can see one of them starting to climb up, but... oh my gosh. The potatoes just took over everything. It's just crazy. Anyway, let's move on. What do we have here? Is it ripe on both sides? Oh no, is it rotting? Oh, it is too. Oh, look at that. It's so disappointing. I think I'm going to eat the other side anyway. Oh, so yummy. Anyway, that's a few more strawberries. I wasn't expecting to get any this year, so... And my spinach is coming back again. So I might get some more of that. I really trimmed that area right there. Yummy. A little tart yet, not quite ripe. Well, nothing looks too damaged. My little cucumbers back there seem to be okay. I really need to trim back this mint, or this dill. Something is eating the heck out of my beans back here, though. I don't know what it is. I gotta find that out, though. I think maybe some diatomaceous earth or something needs to come out here. The onions, I topped them all off the other day. They're looking good. Apparently that's what you do if you want them to grow taller or bigger. is top them off so they stop sending growth to the tips and start sending it to the bulbs. So I'm hoping that that is the case. My nasturtiums got a little beat up by the hail yesterday. Poor little guys. Pull those off. My pepper and cenis popped up, so that's nice to see. And my other peppers are doing pretty good. That one's a little bit light, but I don't know, maybe it's the variety. Everybody's bushing out. I trimmed all the flowers off because they're kind of small yet to be trying to put out flowers and fruit. So I want them to get a little bit bigger before they start doing that. And my cherries are doing good back there, and my Ailsa Craig is doing pretty good. I see I've got a couple of suckers here. I'll go ahead and pull those off. And this is flowering. I'm going to go ahead and let it flower. It's looking nice and strong and sturdy, and I might have fruit soon. Yay. So, thanks guys for coming and hanging out in the garden with me this week. I know a lot has happened, and actually just a few minutes ago I planted a few more things. I planted some celeriac. I planted my second wave of beans, and I brought out my pepper and my Aunt Molly's cherry that I started inside and planted them. Oh, and I also planted another Diana melon because none of my melons have come up. Everything else has come up, but I'm not seeing hide nor hair of a melon yet. So I planted another one, and we'll see. I still have time, 75 days, and it's only mid-June, so I do still have time for a melon to ripen. Anyway, thank you for taking time out of your day to come and hang out with me and my family. We really do appreciate you. If you haven't, please subscribe. That would make us all feel good. I know Mom just sits there and watches my subscribers and my views and all that stuff. She's like my little monitor. Oh, and hey, don't forget, Friday, 3 p.m. Pacific time, I'm going to go live to celebrate my birthday. If you guess how old I am, I'll send you a piece of art. How's that? I wonder if anyone... Mom, you are not eligible. Neither are you, David. Anyway, guys, take care of yourselves. God bless. Bye now.